Hi, this is Lynn with Create Whimsy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a colonial knot, which is new to me. I love doing French knots, but now I think I've found a new love with the colonial knot. So you just bring your thread up from where you want your knot, put your needle under that thread, and then take the tail and wrap it around. So you've got like a figure 8 on your needle. Put your needle back down near where you came up. Hold that knot down and pull it to the wrong side. And that is a colonial knot. I'll do one more for you here. Pull it up, put your needle under, grab your the tail of your thread, wrap it around to figure 8, put it back down into your fabric like that, hold it, and pull your needle. And that is a colonial knot. Now I'm going to use a thicker thread. I'm going to use this really thick number 3 pearl cotton instead of a number 8 pearl cotton, so you can see the stitch a little bit better. So once again, we're going to bring our needle up through our fabric. It's really thick thread. There we go. And then slip your needle under. Take your thread, wrap it around the tip of your needle, put it back in right close to where you did it before, where you pulled your needle up. And there you go. You can see what a lovely, nice big knot it makes. So pull it up, wrap your thread under, or your needle under, like this. Wrap it around the top. Put it back through your fabric, close to where you came out. Hold your thread while you pull your needle to the back. And there you go. I've got 2 of the colonial knots using a number 3 pearl cotton.